I know a secretary wants to bring greetings.
I would love that. Silvia, congratulations on behalf of all of us. A couple of things. You really are a phenomenal teacher, and it shows both in the way your students feel about you. It shows in the way that other teachers, both around the districts and around the state, respect you. It shows in the way that you've become a leader, a humble leader, a servant leader, as a teacher to our kids and for our profession. And it shows, for me, most importantly, in your student achievement results, in your student outcomes. You are achieving over 2 years of academic growth with your kids in a single year. Over 2 years of academic growth in a single year. That deserves a huge round of applause, again, for Miss Miranda. I know that personally I've been inspired by you, inspired by your practice. I know that we're your fourth graders. We're your fourth graders. Where are they? Yeah, let's give her a big round of applause. Come on, guys. I know, and I talked to Dr. Foley about this, like we know Alicia and Kaylee and the team at NMPED and Dr. Balch and our legislators and our everyone knows the power of an outstanding teacher. And you truly are one of the phenomenal teachers that our state has. As you know, and Dr. Foley, I just love to say this, as you know, we've learned from the Milken Family Foundation in New Mexico. And so this year, for the first time ever, we had Excellence in Teaching Awards for over 1,000 teachers in New Mexico, for over 1,000 teachers. So Ms. Miranda joins those 1,000 outstanding teachers in New Mexico with this special distinction from the Milken Family Foundation. If you don't mind, we'd love to hear from you. All right.
I honestly am speechless, but I do want to say, and I've said this before, that I do not believe that I do anything in my classroom different than what everyone here does, and that is just fill our kids with love. So, thank you.